Deep in the rushing rivers of South and Southeast Asia swims a legend known as the tiger of the river. The Mahseer fish is more than just a fish. It's a golden icon of the wild. For centuries, the Mahseer has been woven into the fabric of local history. In ancient Hindu mythology, it is often linked to the Matsya avatar of Lord Vishnu. Because of this, many temple ponds across India and homes are sacred Mahseer, where they are protected and fed by pilgrims acting as living guardians of the water. During the British Raj, the Mahseer gained global fame as the ultimate freshwater prize. Anglers traversed across continent to face its legendary power and speed. But it wasn't just a sport. The fish became a symbol of pristine, healthy ecosystem. If the Mahseer was thriving, the river was alive. Today, that legacy is under threat. Habitat loss and overfishing have pushed many species like the humpback Mahseer to the brink. However, a new chapter is being written. Communities and conservationists are now working together, turning from hunting to protection, recognizing that saving the Mahseer means saving the entire river system. From sacred guardian to a symbol of conservation, the Mahseer remains the golden heartbeat of the mountains. A reminder that some legends are worth fighting for. The Mahseer's survival is in our hands. Join the movement to protect our rivers. Because when the Mahseer thrives, we all do. Act now for the legends of tomorrow. Support this channel. Please like and subscribe for more future videos to come. Thank you.